sure that several of you have wondered how the Speedio tool changer works. Is brother and robo drill the same?
It is not.
It's not. Okay, so I think that's a common misconception that this footprint is it's a robo drill repackage. It's not the same thing. Speedio is a brother, robo drill's Fanuc, and they're totally different companies, different IP and everything. So we're going to take a look at what the tool changer in a Speedio looks like and how it works.
So how this works is that there's a gripper, and the tool will sit in this gripper. The spindle is actually above the gripper at this current point.
Okay.
And what's going to happen is, as soon as this slides in front of it, the tool and the spindle come directly over. Unlike a robo drill where it kind of like rocks in, this comes directly over top. So it is using all of its rapid movement to come down into
100% vertically.
Right. So the drawbar actually works as a mechanical drawbar. There's no air actuated drawbar.
Really?
So it's a mechanical system with two nubs.
Okay.
As soon as it comes down, it's pressing a die spring.
It's in already.
And then when it comes down, it lets go of the die spring, grabs on the pull stud, comes straight
That's
down.
why it's so freaking fast.
We're
There's
coming
not
down.
anything.
Right. So we're coming down at over 2,000 inches per minute.
Holy crap.
And that's how you're able to achieve such a fast tool.
So honestly, when you see these things running and you see them changing tools in and out, you wonder, how is that happening? It's because it's all one motion. That's closing as it's coming up and going down. That makes a ton more sense than having like a pneumatic drawbar that's opening and closing.
And you have to wait for the cylinder.
Yeah. That's so awesome. So just, that's the spindle motor.
This is the spindle motor,
wow.
And then the Z-axis motor is on it.
Okay, so just little. Oh, it's not full.
This is only 4. This is only 4+1, so this is still a C00 controller.
Okay.
Tool changer works the same.
Gotcha. Okay. All right.
As you can see, this is how the spindle is, and you just have to N19, so the dog keys are facing forward, and then it comes directly down over the tool. And this is where the gripper rides. So the tool is actually going to be sitting in here along these dog keys.
Okay.
And then it comes down over top of it.
Got it. So the tool is going to be right here and here.
Yep.
Wow. And these are all Speedios 30 taper?
Yes.
Okay, so they only make a 30 taper spindle.
Yes, sir.
Which is all the more you need for a machine like this where you're ramping the spindle up quick and then decelerating quick. Oh, cool. That's stupid fast. Nope, I think that's it, man. Do you have a programmed on this or just?
Yeah, no, it'll move around. I actually got a loader over here.
Let's take a look at this loader. This is cool. I like how compact it is too.
Right.
And then it's just riding on the casting there.
Yeah, it bolts directly to the casting, so you don't have to have any base or anything.
Easy.
It's right on the machine.
Plug and play aftermarket automation.
Someone stop the robot.
Just a little, grab it. Door open. Oh, it opened the door itself.
Door itself.
Check it out. Grab it. Flip. Drop. Pinch. And away you go. Oh, so finished slugs are going over here.
So
very cool.
On conveyor.
Love
you
it.
can do like a palletizing system or anything you really want to. But this is just kind of a very simple way to show off what a job shop, machine shop is.
Yeah, just stick slugs in, let it go, huh? So this is what, on the middle range of size for a Speedio, smaller end?
It's on the smaller end, but
Is
it's more of it's a mill turn. So that's actually a lathe spindle.
Oh, this is...
So that's a lathe spindle and a milling spindle.
Gotcha, okay.
So this is more of a...
I'm looking at it wrong.
It's an 80-20 machine. So
yeah.
You can do 80% milling, 20% turning. A lot of casting parts, but I've seen people put vices on here. It's a very compact mill turn. A lot of people will buy a Y-axis lathe and then they'll just make parts, but they really just need a lot of milling and very little turning. So that's where this machine really shines.
Yeah.
I don't think anyone else in that type of market has a machine that's like this.
Yeah.
So it kind of sets them apart.
Look at how fast that's spinning out there, because that is it's a turning chuck.
It's a lathe spindle and then there's a milling spindle. The machine right over here in the corner is actually a full 5-axis capable.
Is it?
Titanium knee. So the machine we just saw was a 4+1.
I gotcha.
This is releasing just this year the full 5-axis.
So is this this is a turning spindle? This looks like the same turning spindle.
It's the same machine. It's just a newer generation, so it has new control on it.
And full simultaneous 5-axis.
Full simultaneous 5. Full center point control, G68.2, and it's priced pretty well.
And That's not a small part. Like some of these machines, you look inside and they're making little tiny parts. Like that's a decent sized chuck in there.
This can machine up to 200 millimeters in Imts, so you could get a
200 millimeters. That's big. I mean, that's
a decent size.
Yeah.
It's like 8 inches or so.
That is so cool.
You might be able to get a better picture from the side.
Is there a? Oh yeah. Look at how fast that's changing tools. All mechanical drawbar. That's crazy. That's it. This dual trunnion, change your pallet in and out. Pretty big. That's cool.